Hello guys, here is I have iPhone 12. Screen is cracked. As you can see, like if top side is cracked, so I'm gonna show you how to replace the screen. And back is fine, back is not cracked. So let's turn off the phone. And now we're gonna remove the bottom two screw. Lighten up the screen a little bit with the open tools. And this knife, we just push it down and put some alcohol on side. We have to keep doing it. This screen only screen is cracked, LCD is good, so we're gonna save the LCD. That's why we need to time to take it off this screen. So we're gonna do it slowly, little by little. Right here, just lift it up a little bit and put some alcohol. So you have to keep doing it like that. When it's lifting up a little bit, so we're gonna put some more alcohol. Yeah, now it's lifting up, so we're gonna keep doing it like that. So we are almost done to lifting up the screen. We're gonna open left side. Now we're gonna remove the screw. There is two screw, you have to remove it. Now we're gonna remove the battery connection. This is the battery connection. Now we're gonna remove the screen connection. There is two connection, and there is a speaker plugs. Now we're gonna remove the speaker and sensor plugs from all the screen. There is four screw, you have to remove it. Now we're gonna put some heat on behind the screen, so it's easy to remove the sensor and speaker plugs. With the finger, we just slowly lifting up. You have to be careful. You cannot rush here. If it's too tight, you have to hit some more, but it's hit enough, so now it's come out easily. There is new screen. Remove the plastic. Now you're gonna install back the plugs. We remove it. First we're gonna put on sensor. With the finger, we just push it down. Then we're gonna press the microphone, and then we're gonna do it. There's another sensor here, and top of that we're gonna put a back speaker, and we're gonna install back four screw here. Two is Y screw and two is star. This two is star and this two is Y screw. Now we're gonna install the screen. First we're gonna connect screen connection. There is two screen connection, and then speaker connection. Battery connection always last time. Now we connect battery connection. Now you're gonna check the screen, make sure it's work before you put the all screw. Let me turn on the phone. It's turning on. Swipe up, go to the emergency, and try to, yeah, it's working. Yeah, now we're gonna put the all screw back. We are done with the screw, and we don't need it water resistant glue tape because it's already is there, original one, previous one, because we open very carefully. That's why we don't messed up the previous one. So we just yeah, it's looking good. So we're gonna install the screen. First we're gonna put it on top side, then left side, and then right side. Just press slowly. If it's not go easily, might be it's broken something inside, but it's go smoothly, so we just press it. And now we're gonna install back bottom two screw, and let me try again. The screen is working fine, and that's it right now. Let me know how you guys like it, and thank you for watching.